You've seen datasets, prep flows, and SQL Lab. But when the same logic, a revenue calculation, a join, a set of business rules, keeps reappearing in chart after chart, you shouldn't rebuild it every time. That's what models are for. Reusable SQL, materialized once in your warehouse and shared everywhere. This is the semantic layer of IBIS. Let's build one. New model. I'll call it territory revenue. It materializes as a real table, so it's fast to query. The Schema browser is right here. Click a dataset to drop it in, and I'll write a simple rollup. Orders and total revenue for every territory. Create and build, and IBIS runs the SQL and stores the result. There it is, built, green, 9 rows, with the exact time it last ran. Preview shows the materialized output. Every territory, its order count, and its revenue, sorted biggest first. This is now a first-class table in your warehouse, ready to chart or query like any other. Here's where it gets powerful. Models can build on other models. I'll create a second one, key accounts, and instead of a dataset, I'll point it at the territory revenue model we just made, keeping only the regions above 20 million. IBIS spots the dependency automatically. See the upstream tag linking it back to its parent. And every one of those dependencies is tracked. The lineage view maps the whole chain. Raw sales invoices flow into territory revenue, which flows into key accounts. When a source changes, you know exactly what's downstream. No guesswork, no stale numbers. Need to refresh everything after a data sync? Rebuild all walks the graph in dependency order. Parents first, then children, and every model comes back green and up to date in a single click. Define it once, reuse it everywhere. That's the semantic layer. Cleaner charts, consistent numbers, and a dependency graph you can trust. Next time, we turn raw activity into a cohort retention grid to see who sticks around. Thanks for watching.